How to remove a passkey in Roblox. So if you want to remove a passkey in your Roblox, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Roblox. On your browser, you need to search for www.roblox.com and then make sure that you are on the official website. Now, once you're on the official website, you need to just simply go with the gear-shaped icon, which will be in the top right, and then you need to go with settings. Once you're on your settings, you need to go with the account info section or the tab right here, and you will see various options. Just choose or go to login methods. You'll see a passkey option. In my case, I've not added a passkey. So if you also want to add a passkey, then you can go with add passkey, which will be right here on the right side. Or if you want to remove a passkey, then you need to just simply click on the passkey section, which will be on the right side. And then you will have all of the options, like all of the passkeys that you've added. So you need to just simply go and select the passkey. And on the right side, you will have a trash icon. You need to just simply click on the trash icon and the passkey will be removed. So it's that easy to remove a passkey in your Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.